Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop Siri learning from your private freeforms on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down and tap on the freeform. Once you are here, you want to go to the Siri and search, so the first on the screen, and then you want to deselect the option called learn from this app. So now the Siri is no longer going to be able to learn from the freeform and your notes. Now it will be out, now it won't. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!